What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing MOdOK from Ant-Man 3. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page with the nose. We'll start right in the middle with a straight line going across the top. And from the side we're just going to angle the nose coming down and out. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. From the bottom corners of the nose we're going to angle this up and out. Let's connect the top corner to the outside with another straight line. Now from the top of the nose, draw a straight line going across the brow towards the left and right side. And then from the end, we're just going to bend the brow. We're going to go out and then bend that up. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's round up the side. I'm going to go up and in. I'm going to follow that same curve, coming down and in about halfway. And then we'll bend that in and then down towards that inside point. And to go back up to the top, we want to connect these 2 points with another curve. We're going to go up, round up the top of the head, and then bring that down on the right. Now let's move back down and draw on the eyes. From these 2 points, draw a straight line coming down, just beside the nose. And then from here, it's going to bend the eye, coming down and then up. Let's curve the side of the eye, going out and then up. Let's add a thick bevel along the side and the bottom. So we'll step in, just follow that curve coming down toward the bottom, and we'll just pull that in towards the inside. Let's add a little bit more detail to the top of the head. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a straight line going across. And then from these 2 points, we're going to angle this down and in toward the top of the nose. Let's angle this up and out toward the side. Bring this back up and in. And we'll close off the top with a straight line. Let's trace that hexagon along the inside, just leaving an even space gap all the way around. From the outside point, we're going to curve this out and then up toward the top of the head. Go to that top point and draw that same curve. Now let's go back to the outside corner of the nose, draw a curve going out, and then bend that down. And we'll connect the ends with a curve going up the middle, and then back down. Now to go to the center of the nose, draw a straight line coming down, and we'll curve the top of the mouth, going up, and then out toward the left. Go back to the center, go up, and then out towards the right. Now you want to separate out the teeth. Along the bottom, we're going to step in, draw 2 straight lines going up about halfway. Connect the top with a curve going up and then down. From the outside corner, step in, draw 2 straight lines going up underneath the mouth. And then we'll fill the outside in black. Now I'm going to go back and separate out the teeth along the top, starting right in the middle with a straight line. Let's work our way over towards the left. Stepping over, draw 1 line, 2, and then 3. And do the same thing on the right. Now we want to stagger the bottom row of teeth. We start right in the center, step over, just go a little bit shorter with that gap. Now from here, we can go back up and draw the side of the head. From this point, let's step down, curve the head going out, and then down. Let's add a curve, coming in and then down toward the side. I'll pull this up and then in. Let's add a trim along the side. From this bottom point, angle this up and out. Go across towards the outside. And I'll follow the same curve of the head going up and then in. Now we're going to place the arms along the side, so we'll start with the socket. Starting from the top, bend this in, come down, and then out toward the side. And then from the side, we'll draw a curve that comes down and then in towards the middle. I just want to leave a gap in the center, so we're just going to line this up, out, and up. From the inside, draw two straight angle lines going up toward the mouth. Close off the top with a curve. Now from the bottom, I'm just going to bend this down and then in. Let's close off the bottom with another curve, coming down the middle, across, and then up. Now I'm going to go back to these points, bend this down and then in towards that bottom line. Let's trace this shape along the inside, starting along the top. And we'll bring that down along the side, and we'll close off the bottom. Now I want to add a little bit more detail to the face. Let's connect this point to the corner of the mouth with a curve, going out and then down. And then from here, bend this down and then in. Now let's add that thick ridge along the base of the arms. Starting from the top, bend this out and then down. From the bottom, bend this out and then up. And we'll close off the inside with a curve. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting with the top, and the bottom, and then the side. Now from that inside corner, draw a straight angle line coming down and out across the inside of the arm. Now you want to create an overlap. We're going to step up, bend this in and down towards the wrist. Let's add a half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket, step down, go around and then up, and then the third finger, we're going to step down, go all the way around, and just pull that up toward the outside of the elbow. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the forearm with a curve, going up and then down. Let's go back up to the top of this trim. It's going to bend the outside of the arm coming out and down, just tucking that in with a little overlap. Now we're going to add a thick bevel along the front edge. Starting underneath the thumb, just going to follow that same curve, going all the way across and out towards the right. Let's wrap that trim along the side with a short line. And now we're going to move in and draw the top edge of the legs. Let's start over on the left with a half circle. We're going to go up and then down. Let's leave a gap and do the same thing on the right. From the inside, we're just going to angle the legs coming down and out. And then the legs coming down and then in towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. starting from the left heel, curve the foot, going down and then out. And we'll go back to the side. Let's draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, bend that down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now when you go back up to the outside, bend the leg going out and then down towards the knee. Bring that back down and in on top of the foot. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. So we're just going to trace that curve going all the way across. And then we'll add a band across the top of the thigh, starting just up above the knee, curves up and then down. Step up and draw that again. Now you want to draw a circle in behind the top of the leg. So we step down, so we go all the way around, and then just tuck that in. Now with the legs in place, let's draw the rest of the body. We're going to start from the index finger, and go down and in towards the bottom. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve going in behind the legs. So bend this down and in towards the side, and continue in the middle. Let's go back up to this outside corner, angle this up and out, angle up towards the hand, and go straight out towards the side. Draw a short angled line going up towards the top. I'm just going to pull that straight in behind the side of the hand. Now we're going to draw the top of the armrest in behind the arms. From this corner, we're just going to angle this up and in. Continue that line going up in behind the body. Now from these points, we're going to step in, draw 2 straight lines coming down, and we'll draw that same curve again going in behind the legs. And add some detail in the center, starting right in the middle, draw a straight line, and down and out towards the bottom, go up and out towards the top. Let's add some ridges across the top of the leg. So we step up, just add a few curves going all the way up toward the top, and do the same thing on the right. Let's do the same treatment along the top of the arms, starting along the bottom, and then just working our way up. And now we'll add a little bit more detail along the side panel, starting on the left, on that curve coming in, then angle that down. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw MOdOK from Ant-Man 3. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please smash that like button because I'm posting new lessons every single day, and you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.